R8 V8 came out in 2008 and had the option of manual, which is a fantastic shifting mechanism on this car. I absolutely love it. It's just so smooth and seamless to use. The manual transmission in the R8 V8 really is an awesome touch. The gated shifting mechanism and the plate here just make it so easy to get it in gear. Perfectly complementing the V8's power band. This supercharger really is available at all times. Instant boost, so 6 psi as quick as 1500 RPM make it really, really urgent to get moving in this car. The characteristic sound from the V8 remains intact, just gets deeper. This vehicle's fitted with an aftermarket exhaust which gives it an extra deeper tone. And I just love the sportiness of this shifting mechanism combined with the supercharger. Of course, we also supercharged the R-tronic version, which is what they call the robotized mechanical manual transmission. And we also offer software for the R-tronic transmission to speed up its shifting. But back to the 4.2 power plant. It's the first of the FSI V8s that Volkswagen Audi made and released in the B7 RS4. It's a cult car of its time from 2007, 2008. That's the 4.2 V8. It's the FSI, the naturally aspirated direct fuel injection engine, also in the V8. The V8 R8, that is, that also has the dual throttle body mechanism versus the single in the RS4. The breathing of the engine is what enables the engine to create the power, or create more power, and so we're able to extract as much as 180 horsepower from this engine with just 7 pounds of boost, which is considerably higher than what we normally are able to do on other engines. It's basically got a lot of potential in that engine, and we've tapped it.